What up? Lootcrate. What? November 2015 Lootcrate. Here we go. Okay. Alright. That looks cool. First thing is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Shredder Shades. Alright. Gotta put on my Shredder Shades. Yeah, my hair's all messy. Yeah, glasses over glasses. Alright. I just need some Freddy Krueger claws. I'm just kidding. Cool. Hey, this is really cool. It's kind of big though. But it doesn't even look like Shredder that much, does it? Alright. Next thing is The Hunger Game, Mockingjay Part 2. Bam! It's like a... Oh. It's like a pen. There it is. Pen. There you go. Alright. Cool, cool, cool. The theme is combat. That's a train. I don't know if you can see it well, but cool. Next thing is, whoa. What is this? What? Ball number 111. Bop boy. Ball Tech Industry. It's a bobblehead. Cool. These kind of stuff are the stuff that I don't want to open. But I'm gonna do it anyways, because what's the point? Here we go. Alright. Right there. See that? That's pretty cool. Vault Tech. Behind there. 111. Oh, that's pretty awesome. Bobblehead. Put this back. Close it. And then sell it off. I'm just kidding. Blizzard Entertainment. Cute but deadly Series 1 figure. Oh, cool. So these are like the booster packs. I'll open it right now. Okay, cool. Here we go. What do I got? Oh, cool. The booster pack has like some designs on there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I honestly don't really want to open, but then again, I do. Oh, it's one of these guys. That's cool. And there's like a little stand too to put them on top. So like this. Yeah. Okay. All right. Cool. What's next? The gift of geek from Loot Crate. Happy holidays, looter! All Loot Crate, we try to make our crates a special gift you'll enjoy. Use these tags to celebrate the spirit of the holidays and share the love with your geeky friends and family. Re-gift your loot to someone who will love it as much as we love you. Team Loot Crate. I was gonna scratch my head, but it's like itchy a little bit. Huh, that's cool. But I kind of want my Loot Crate. Cool idea though. Next thing is, whoa. Keep it deadly. Look at these. I know that's like what, Morrigan or something from StarCraft. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, these are like magnets. There you go. Pretty cool. I look so weird with this thing on. Next thing is magazine. Look at that. It's a magazine. Cool. Next thing is, okay, this actually is pretty cool. Street Fighter Hyper Looting, Capcom #1, Loot Crate exclusive. It's like a comic book. Oh, that's awesome. And then the box inside is a road. Yep. Have your Fallout adventure. Other than that, that's pretty much it for the Loot Crate. I like it. Seems pretty cool. Put all these stuff in there. Put that here. This box looks so different. It's like weird. Cool. Awesome. So that's it. Loot Crate. Awesome.